So hello guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel once again. So this video we are going to discuss and how to convert a 2D object into 3D object. So for that, to convert 2D into 3D object we have different commands. So we have extruded boss base command, revolve boss base command, swept boss base command, lofted boss base and boundary boss base. So we have 5 different types of command to create 2D into 3D object. So you can see here, this is a extruded part, this is a lofted part, this is a swept part, and this is a revolve part. So next, so let's see in the video what are these command. So firstly I select sketch, I choose front plane. Now in front plane I select here a circle, I draw a circle of my own dimension, means simple, I draw 250 diameter of circle. I simply went to feature and extruded cut boss base, and you can see this is a boss base command of extruded. So the part is extruded, hence means the height is given to that a single 2D object. So simply it is a 2D object and converted into a 3D object with the help of extruded boss base command. You can see this. Now simply I choose a line and connect the midpoint, or we can diameter point of, I connect both the point. And yeah, simple, I can draw a diameter and I trim the other half circle, and now I just select revolve cut, revolve boss base, and choose this axis. You can see it is a revolve around the y axis. So this is a simple sphere. Now for swept boss base I need 2 lines. Simply I draw 1 line here, 1 line here. Now I select a tangent arc, I draw arc, tangent arc to both the line. Now I exit from the sketch and I selected right plane from here and sketch. Just you need to right click and sketch. So now I draw a circle at the 2 lines at a point. I draw a circle from this line. Now I simply went to swept boss base, I click that the circle means profile and this is the path. Now you can see here the profile is created along the path, that is a circular profile along the line. So it is a simple swept boss base. So now how to cut any section in a body, means if you want to you created this one extruded part and you want a circle into that part. Now if you want to create a circle cut, yeah, simple, any cut. So there are some command extruded cut, hole wizard, revolve cut, swept cut, lofted cut and boundary cut. So now this is a swept cut, this is a revolve cut, this is a extruded cut, and this is a section of hole wizard. Hole wizard means simple, there are the specific types, specific dimension of holes are given, and you just click here and drag into here, the hole will created here. So it is very simple. So I select front plane and I will select a corner rectangle. I select a corner rectangle and simply I extruded it something height. I give something height. Now I want a circle here, and I simply select this one and create. I simply right click and sketch. Now I will sketch here something, I will draw a line or whatever. Now I simply draw a circle here, one circle here and another circle also. I draw three different types of circle. So now I went to the extruded cut and just click on that circle. It will extruded cut, it will get cut into the whole extruded part. So simple, you can see the circles are cut into that part. So now next one we have, this is a simple, you can understand, and that type you can also go through revolve cut and swept cut also. So now how to add fillet, now what is the fillet? For that you need to understand what is the fillet. So simply just see, this is your a rectangular, oh sorry, it is the mistake, it is a square. I use the mouse, so there is not a dimension proper accuracy. So just see, this is a rectangular, so it will create some problem. So now to give the proper round shape, and that round shape is called fillet. So now how to give fillet? I select a sketch front plane, and I went to again a corner rectangular or sector rectangular. Now I simply went to I first extruded. You can, no need to extrude it if you want to a 2D part. So I extruded and click on fillet. So you can see there is a round shape is created. That round shape is called as a fillet. Simply now you can see, and lofted boss base. So you can see here there is some path like this one. There is a path like this type. In I am talking about swept. So I want a circular profile along that part. That means it will be look like something this one, like this one. There is a problem. So it is a continuously and constant circular profile at every section. The profile will be circular at every section. That is boss base, sorry, that is swept. Now if I am talking about lofted cut, now first I am talking about swept cut, now I am talking about lofted. So in lofted you can see in the figure there is a change in cross section. At different section. You can see here at that section the cross section is same, that is a rectangular, but cross section area is different. Here different area, here also different area, and here also different area. So there is no any difference between lofted and boss, only the difference between the cross section area of the body along the length or along the profile. So these are the difference between. So thank you so much guys. If you like the video, and please share and subscribe my channel. So thank you so much guys.